Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the T3 Singlepass X. This straightener is a little bit over an inch. It's actually an inch and a half. So it has an inch and a half plate, so it is going to grab more hair, and it's a lot bigger than their 1-inch straightener like the T3 Lucia ID. I've been wanting to try a straightener with a bigger plate because I just feel like I need it since I have like pretty curly hair. It's very thick. I have a lot of hair, so I'm excited to try this. This straightener retails for $235, so it is a little bit pricey, but we're gonna try it and I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. I love T3 micro hair tools. I feel like all their hair tools are totally worth it. So yeah, I think this one's gonna be just as good as the other hair tools that they have, but we'll see. If you guys are liking my YouTube channel so far, make sure to subscribe and also follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel, so definitely check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Before I straighten my hair with this straightener, I do have to blow out my hair, so I'm gonna use the T3 Micro Airbrush Duo, and I'm gonna add some product now just to kind of prep my hair before my blowout. I'm gonna speed up this process because this video is mainly about the T3 Singlepass X, but just so you guys can know which products I use to prep my hair before my blowout, I use the IGK Good Behavior line. I like to use the blowout balm first, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that to my hair. I love the packaging of this. That's literally all you need. This is going to control frizz. It's gonna give you a nice blowout look, like a nice sleek blowout, and it's going to protect your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I also like to add this prep spray. This is also from the Good Behavior line. Guys, let me know in the comments down below if there's a new hair tool or hair product that you want me to try. I love trying new stuff on my hair, so definitely comment down below what you want me to film next. So the T3 Micro Airbrush Duo brings two different attachments, a round brush attachment and a paddle brush attachment, but my favorite one is the round brush attachment. I just feel like it's way better for curly hair, and it just gives me a nice bouncy blowout look. I do have to use a straightener sometimes with this blow dryer, so that's why I decided to use this blow dryer today with the Singlepass X. But yeah, I'm just going to very quickly blow out my hair with this blow dryer. I like to use this in the highest heat setting and the highest speed, and I feel like this blow dryer is so gentle on my natural curls, so I really enjoy using this. So I'm going to turn this on and I'll do all my hair and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am going to straighten my hair now. I didn't really leave my hair too straight and sleek just because I really want to try the straightener and see if it can straighten these curly roots. As you can see, I definitely have some waves on my roots still, but overall I do like the T3 Micro Airbrush Duo. I just feel like my hair gets a little bit stuck in the brush. I feel like my hair definitely gets stuck sometimes right here, and this does kind of pull my hair a little bit, so just be very careful and just kind of know how to place the hair tool so that your hair doesn't get like stuck down here. Like you gotta place it kind of like that, like a little bit away from this section right here. I do want to add a little bit of this spray from IGK. This is the Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. I love this because it's a dry spray. Very strong, but yeah, this also protects your hair from the heat and it doesn't wet your hair. So since I have pretty curly hair, I don't want a heat protectant that is going to be wet and is going to leave my hair a little bit like damp, you know, because then my hair gets even curlier and more frizzy. So yeah, I love this one because it's a dry spray and it also protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and it helps to control frizz. So definitely recommend, check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. This brings clips, yay! I love it when hair tools bring alligator clips, my favorite. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to use it in the highest heat setting because my hair is pretty curly, very thick, so I usually use it in like 400 or something like that, so like 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So as you can see, it's warming up. How cute! Okay, so it is all warmed up and ready to use. And ooh, nice. Wow, this is hot. I wonder if the heat setting is too hot, but it definitely leaves my hair very sleek, like right away. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Like if I need something that's going to straighten my hair very quickly, this is probably the straightener that I'm gonna reach for because it's just giving me such a nice sleek look right away. I just love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the next section. I just love how this is straightening my hair so quickly and it's so gentle on my hair. I mean, I know the heat setting is pretty high, but it feels really, really nice. Like it doesn't pull my hair. It just feels pretty gentle. And I like that the plate is so big, so you're able to take a pretty big section. And I just have a feeling that this is gonna give me a straight, sleek look way quicker than any other straighteners that I have right now. It's definitely like very smoky in here, and I'm definitely starting to get hot. Ooh, I just burned my ear. Ah! Yeah, be careful. This is hot. Yeah, I'm just doing like 1 or 2 passes. I'm trying not to do too many because the highest heat setting is high, like very high. I guess this hair tool is very popular because I was checking online and it was actually sold out not too long ago, maybe a couple weeks ago, maybe like right after New Year. And it might be back in stock, so I'm gonna link it down below. I hope it's back in stock because it's really, really good. I'm gonna use a comb as I go because my hair is super hot. But wow, I mean, if you want a sleek look, this is definitely a nice straightener to have because it is straightening my hair so quickly. I'm able to grab pretty big sections and it's leaving my hair so shiny as well. I mean, I know I used amazing products. But T3 micro hair tools just always leave my hair so shiny. I love how this gets super close to the roots. The plates are just like, they're big, but they're not like bulky. Like they're pretty thin on the sides, so you're able to get the plates pretty close to your roots. So yeah, that's definitely helpful when you're trying to really get a nice sleek look from the roots all the way down to the ends. I can't wait to do a curl with this hair tool because I feel like I'll get a nice big bouncy curl, or maybe it'll just look a little bit weird. So we're gonna try that right after I'm done straightening all my hair. Okay guys, I am done straightening my hair. I love the final look. My hair hasn't been this sleek in a while. Like, my hair is so sleek, I can't believe it. I'm gonna add maybe like 1 curl and see how it turns out. But first, I do wanna add a little bit of the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. Ooh, I think I put a little bit too much because a little bit goes such a long way. But I'm just gonna apply it first, like under, and then on the top. This is gonna add so much shine to your hair and it's just gonna make your hair look a lot more healthy. This also protects your hair from the heat too if you wanted to use it before your hair tools. Okay, so I'm gonna do a curl. So I guess I'll just take a random piece of hair. I'll do this section and I'm just gonna grab the hair tool. I'm gonna flip it and then I'm just slowly gonna bring it down. Okay, let's see. Ooh, nice. It actually gives you a pretty nice, like, big curl. It's not like huge, but it's a very nice curl. I'm gonna do one more, and then I might have to straighten all my hair again because I have to go. It's actually my mom's birthday, so we're gonna go out to eat, and I'm kind of a little bit late, so but yeah. Okay, this one isn't that nice. Let me try another one. I guess I'll do the front pieces. I'm just gonna flip it back. Why isn't it doing it now? Ooh, wait. Let me try that again. I'm gonna try that on this side. Ooh, did I just mess up my hair? Okay, I'm gonna try that on this side. Just gonna flip it. I think I gotta go a little bit slower. Yeah, I mean, the curl is okay. It definitely isn't like super bouncy. You can see that it's like a little bit uneven because the plates are way bigger. I feel like you get definitely a nicer, bouncier curl with the 1-inch straightener. I'm gonna try it one more time on this section, and then I'm just gonna straighten all my hair. It definitely is more of a like longer looking curl, but it's not bad. Overall, it's good. I do like it. I feel like I definitely have to touch up my hair again though, because I am not a fan of the curls that I got. But I do love this straightener, and I would totally recommend it. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. And that is it for this video. Let me know if you liked it. Subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.